teacher. I ran away and left with my 3 young.
Hello and welcome to the Canary Christmas show. I'm Martin Angolo, joined once again by my good friend Jer Stoughton. Jer, how's it going?
It's going alright, yeah.
How do you enjoy Christmas?
No, I don't like it.
Why not?
Just don't like it.
Who doesn't like Christmas?
Me, I don't like Christmas.
Why the fuck are we doing a Christmas show if you don't like Christmas?
I didn't even want to do the Christmas show.
Well, do you have any plans for Christmas?
No. I have a few Guinness, maybe a bit of whiskey.
Right. You gonna ask me?
Do you like Christmas?
I do. Remember the last wild night out I had was at Christmas. I was actually out with Mo Farah, the runner,
Yeah?
and Usain Bolt.
Were you really?
And we went to a nightclub together. We tried to go to a nightclub, and the bouncer stopped me, and he said, "You're not getting in with those runners." You do the gag there. I'll tell you this.
Right. I tell you this. You know what I can't stand?
What's that?
I can't stand!
Here, Jerry, your zip's down. Would you mind just fixing it there? Try putting it down again. Just put it down.
Why do you want me to put my zip?
So you put it back up. Just put it down.
That's ridiculous. But I have to put it back up.
You have to put it back up. Last year I went abroad and my luggage got wrecked by the baggage handler.
Did it?
Got absolutely shredded.
Wow.
Yeah, and I'm going to sue the airline, right? But my lawyer says I don't have much of a case. Huh?
Yeah.
Here, we've got a prop actually.
Meine Arbeit für richtig Geld. Ob du glaubst, dass ich fleißig gewesen bin, dass ich gearbeitet habe.
What was that?
My Hitler impression, yeah. I can do Stalin, but I need a bigger...
That's my joke.
Final joke.
Here, Martin.
Yeah.
I lost my job as an ice cream tester
Oh, yeah?
with a flexible schedule.
Oh.
I forgot to add that bit. An
Right.
ice cream tester with a flexible schedule. I
Yeah.
lost that job.
Oh, really? How did you lose that job?
I couldn't do Sundays.
Jerry, you seem to have exploded. Right, you just exploded.
Yeah, I think so.
Was it a joke? Or?
Yeah, it must be.
Yeah.
Why would anyone watch this?
Hang on, what do you mean? Little leg bell? Do you have one? Do you have a leg bell? No. Okay.
No, I don't.
Well, I think we're the only double act going since Morecambe and Wise, really. Remember Morecambe and Wise?
Yeah.
And they had the big Christmas shows.
Yeah, they did, yeah.
And so I thought we were like the new Morecambe and Wise.
Yeah.
It would be interesting if Morecambe and Wise were around today. What would that be like? You won't sell many ice creams going at that speed. Hey, wake up, Jer. Oh, where's the little fella with the little legs? Hey, there he is. Hey, hey.
Get out of the fucking room, will you?
Hey,
What the fuck's wrong with you?
Where's he gone? 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 Bit of Morecambe and Wise there, huh?
Very good.
Yeah. So what we have now is, because people don't know enough about you, Jer Staunton, I have some Jer facts. Roll the jingle. Ger fact number 1.
Here, I thought, look, if it's Christmas,
Yeah.
we should switch it up a bit. And I should do some Martin facts.
We'll do Martin facts.
Marty facts, as I call them.
What do you call them, Marty facts?
I just decided that now. And I have some here.
Jesus. You don't have to do Marty facts.
Yeah. Marty fact. Marty fact number 1.
It's easy as it looks, isn't it?
No. Garfunkel, the singer Art Garfunkel,
Yeah.
don't know any other Garfunkel, is currently living rent-free in Martin's underpants.
That's not. What?
Yeah, that is true. Yeah, just have a listen.
Here's the act. I didn't think he'd be rent free though, but
Marty facts number 2. Martin has trained a Russian hamster to eat ribbons and dynamite in the hope that it'll shit out a pyrotechnic display, as he does not want to pay for a confetti cannon.
that's okay.
Yeah, I even got lost along the way there. And we do have the hamster here in this bag.
This bag over here.
I don't know, you wrote it.
In this bag. Yeah, he really doesn't look well.
Well, then just don't tell him not to.
Jesus Christ. He really. Oh.
Marty fact number 3, and the final Marty fact. Martin Ngolo has a special voice he uses when he networks. This one's probably true.
This is true,
Yeah.
and you know this.
And this voice is so popular that it got him a TV job doing the weather.
Do we have any footage? Thank you very fucking much, Grania. And now the weather. Well, let's have a look at the map. Here we can see in the west of Ireland it's going to be heavy rain. No! I had a hiking trip planned and now it's fucked! Moving down to Munster we can see there's a chance of snow. I once fought a fucking bear in the snow. Bare hands, tops off. The Russians had the fucker pissed on vodka, so I just kicked the shit out of it. Working my passage to Dublin now, we can see the scattered showers and sunshine. This year for Christmas dinner, I'm going to eat an entire fucking goose. A goose. The whole legs, the wings, the beak. The fucking beak. Temperatures are expected to drop below 0 degrees around Christmas. It's going to get fucking chilly. So when you go out, wear a fucking coat. Or else you and your entire family are nothing more than stupid fucking... Oh yeah, there you go, my new job.
He's very good at networking.
He is. Hey, Jer, to cheer you up because you look a bit grumpy, right? You're not in the Christmas spirit. I got you a little present.
Yeah.
I made my world famous Christmas cocktail.
Do you have a world famous Christmas cocktail?
I do, and I got you some here. It's best to drink it from the bag.
Drink it from the bag.
Drink it from the bag. Just drink the bottle from the bag. Have a sip. And well,
So you just drink it from the bag.
yeah, a few glugs. It's all the Christmas ingredients. There's Guinness, whiskey, a bit of gravy granules. What do you think? Nice, isn't it?
No,
Yeah, and I put it in my favourite blue bag. And
it's not a blue bag.
what?
It's a brown bag.
I might have mixed up the bags because I put a different drink in a brown bag. And well, I can't.
That's a Yazoo. You know I can't drink Yazoos.
Do you have a problem with Yazoo's?
Yeah,
wrong?
I can't drink Yazoos.
Well,
They just give me a dicky tummy.
I didn't mean to.
That's ridiculous.
It's just a bit of Yazoo.
I don't want it. I'm sure I'd be grand.
We'll press on with the show then. You know, you'll be. You okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
All right, yeah.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
On the days before Christmas, I like to watch TV. 10 Bobby Davros. 8 Michael Barrymore, is it?
How are you, sir?
I'm great, Michael, yeah. I'm so good, I feel like I could go over to your house for a swim and die. 6 aerobics championships. Five Cilla Blacks. And a fight with Eamon Dunphy.
I'll tell you who wrote it. I can remember his name. Rod Little. He's the guy who ran away and left his wife for a young one.
Oh, come on, Eamon, you can't say that. 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 You can't say... Christ. My arse has just gone and turned on the Christmas lights in my hometown.
It's Christmas time here in Castlebar. There's some strange traditions and this is what they are. No full pints as everybody knows. If Die Hard's on, then you can't wear any clothes. Instead of ham, they eat eggs by the dozen. A mistletoe kiss is always with your cousin. At 2:30, you have to do a dance. You can only leave the dinner table if you shit your pants. Castle Bar.
What the fuck is that about? You've just ruined Christmas.
A fucking goose.